Starting around 27 July 2023, Cardano truly is exchanging at 31 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in kind of truly most recent 60 minutes kind of in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA for the most part in every practical sense has a kind of complete market cap of $10,773,806,036, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $170,808,252 in an unobtrusive manner. This explicitly makes Cardano, ADA, essentially by and large positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in a truly sort of significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano for the most part be in every way that really matters, truly worth in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Is Cardano in every way that really matters, very wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Will ADA cost truly outperform its untouched most certainly high in a kind of large manner? These generally essentially are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, actually by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost basically is supposed to commonly cross an especially normal value level of 37 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to be 35 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, ADA can sort of for the most part arrive at a very greatest value level of 40 cents in a fundamentally beautiful significant manner. Cardano, ADA, value conjecture July 2023. The Cardano, ADA, cost for July 2023 may sort of arrive at least worth of 29 cents. While the exceptionally greatest estimated value sort of certainly is around 33 cents, showing how this generally makes Cardano, ADA, especially genuinely positioning at 8 in the digital money market, which entirely is very huge, which is very critical. The extremely normal cost for ADA for the most part is especially anticipated to reach 32 cents in July 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano, ADA, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Cardano in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 32 cents and 34 cents in an especially significant manner, or so they essentially thought. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around 33 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical in a huge manner. Cardano, ADA, value figure September 2023. For September 2023. The cost of Cardano in a real sense by and large is generally anticipated to truly arrive at a very especially normal cost of 34 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 35 cents and a genuinely least of 32 cents in a fundamentally for the most part significant manner. Cardano value expectation October 2023. Cardano cost generally for the most part is supposed to reach between 34 cents to 37 cents in October 2023. While the decently certainly normal cost of ADA for the October, for the most part, remains around 35 cents. Cardano, ADA, value expectation November 2023. The cost for Cardano in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 34 cents and 38 cents, or so they sort of thought, in spite of prevalent thinking. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around 36 cents. Which fundamentally essentially is very huge. ADA value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Cardano truly is determined to be at around a truly least worth of 35 cents in a sort of huge manner. The Cardano value worth can actually generally arrive at a pretty in every practical sense limit of 40 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 37 cents in USD. Cardano in every way that really matters. Past value examination and the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part, generally has been explicitly diminished by 0.31% in its truly current worth. On the off chance that we really look at the kind of current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can fundamentally basically see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Cardano by and large generally is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. or so they thought. The ADA certainly is down to nearly 3.03% in the kind of most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for certainly past not many days. The coin could generally especially have especially areas of strength for especially however. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a productive resource in actually genuinely present moment. So a value figure December 2023. In December 2023. The cost of Cardano sort of truly is estimated to for the most part, most certainly be at around and especially by and large least worth of 35 cents, which especially in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA diminished by 31.307%, wiping out an incredible especially normal amount of 14 cents from its genuinely current worth. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin for the most part really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly in a real sense be in every way that really matters. Great by and large purchase a potential open door for essentially speedy interest in a fundamentally significant manner. The 90 days cost change is near 18.95%, and the cost fundamentally coursed from an essentially least in every practical sense normal cost of 37 cents to extremely greatest truly normal cost of 39 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, showing how the sort of typical cost for ADA in a real sense is essentially anticipated to for the most part in every way that really matters, reach 32 cents in July 2023. Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, in fundamentally most recent 4 months, Cardano generally has shown a developing pattern in opposition to mainstream thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we explicitly imagine that comparative pieces of the market explicitly essentially were very famous at that period, kind of additional appearance. How the Cardano value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of 40 cents, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 37 cents in USD. Cardano, by and large sort of past value examination, in the for the most part beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly certainly has been entirely diminished by 0.31% in its exceptionally current worth, which for the most part is very critical, or so they thought. As per the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano in a real sense is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost and in every way that really matters, especially significant way incredibly. The coin actually truly is up by 12.54% with the by and large greatest certainly normal cost of the coin, most certainly explicitly was around 27 cents, and the especially genuinely least truly normal cost of quite the most part was around 26 cents, and especially beyond 4 months in an especially by and large significant manner. Cardano value estimate 2023 facts. What will truly be Cardano genuinely worth in 2023? Which truly is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. The ADA cost by and large is estimated to basically arrive at a very all goals and purposes